Have you ever wondered how intricate shapes are formed in manufacturing? It's a question that often leaves us in awe of the technological marvels we see around us. The answer lies in a revolutionary technique known as wire electrical discharge machining, or wire EDM for short. Today, we're focusing on one company that's pushing the boundaries with this technology, Erodex. So buckle up, because today, we're going to unravel this mystery and explore the fascinating world of wire EDM by Erodex. Wire EDM, or wire electrical discharge machining, is a marvel of modern manufacturing technology. Imagine a process so precise it can cut intricate shapes and patterns into hardened steel or delicate materials alike. That's the magic of wire EDM. It works by using a thin wire as an electrode which is guided along the desired path. This wire never touches the material directly. Instead, it creates a series of controlled, minuscule sparks that erode the material, cutting it into the desired shape. The precision is so high that it can replicate even the most complex designs with compelling accuracy. It's a technology that's reshaping the manufacturing industry, one spark at a time. But the story doesn't end there. Erodex, a leader in this field, takes this technology to new levels. With their state-of-the-art wire EDM machines, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible, making precision machining more efficient, versatile, and sustainable. Erodex's wire EDM machines stand out for their precision, versatility, and efficiency. Precision and accuracy are at the core of Erodex's wire EDM. These machines are designed to reproduce the most intricate designs with absolute accuracy, leaving no room for error. Versatility is another standout feature. Whether you're working with exotic alloys, hardened steel, or the most delicate materials, Erodex wire EDM machines handle it all with ease. The integration of advanced automation features is a game-changer. It streamlines the manufacturing process, reduces human intervention, and boosts efficiency and productivity. Surface finish excellence is a hallmark of Erodex wire EDM machines. They consistently achieve superior surface finishes, a critical aspect for industries where smooth surfaces are paramount. Erodex also prioritizes sustainability with machines that optimize energy consumption without compromising on performance. These features make Erodex wire EDM a preferred choice for many industries. The applications of Erodex wire EDM are vast and varied. From carving intricate components for the aerospace industry to crafting delicate medical devices, Erodex wire EDM's precision and versatility prove invaluable. In aerospace, it's used to shape alloy parts, ensuring they're light yet durable. A perfect combination for flight. In medical device manufacturing, the fine wire cuts with such precision that it's possible to create complex devices small enough to navigate the human body. It's not limited to these industries either. Any sector requiring precision parts can benefit from Erodex wire EDM. The ability to work with complex geometries and maintain high tolerances makes it an indispensable tool for modern manufacturing. In conclusion, Erodex wire EDM is a testament to innovation in the manufacturing industry. It's a game-changer, offering unparalleled precision and accuracy, making it possible to create intricate designs with ease. Its versatility allows for work with a diverse range of materials, from exotic alloys to hardened steel. Erodex has harnessed the power of advanced automation, streamlining the manufacturing process and boosting productivity. Their commitment to sustainable practices is evident in their efficient energy consumption. Lastly, the superior surface finishes achieved by Erodex wire EDM machines set them apart in industries where smooth surfaces are paramount. It's clear that Erodex is leading the way in wire EDM technology. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.